can sing a song? Are you ready? Sing with me. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet, stomp your feet. If you're angry, 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 stomp your feet. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, say oh no. If you're scared, 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 say oh no, oh no. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap, take a nap. If you're sleepy, 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 take a nap. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands, clap your hands. If you're happy, 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 clap your hands. Great! Now, let's look at this poster. What can you see in this poster? I can see a table. I can see a chair. I can see hats. What else can you see? Good. Now look at these children. This is Sam. This is May. And this is Anna. This is Mommy. They are in the kitchen and they are cooking something delicious. Yummy, yummy. They are cooking with fruits. What fruits are they? Let's look at these pictures. Apple. Do you see the apples in this poster? Yes, they are here. Now, strawberry. Can you see the strawberries in this poster? Yes, they are here. Grape. Do you see grapes in this poster? Yes, they are here. And now, banana. Do you see bananas in this poster? Yes, Sam has some bananas here. Now, children, listen and repeat the words. Here we go. Banana, grape, strawberry, apple. Very good. Look at this apple. What color is this apple? Right. It's green. Good. Now, look at this strawberry. What color is this strawberry? Right, it's red and green. Now look at this grape. What color is this grape? Good, it's purple. Look at the banana. What color is the banana? Right, it's yellow. Very good. Now, please, children, listen, pay attention. Listen and repeat.
Listen and point.
Apple. Grape. Strawberry.
Banana.
Did you repeat the words? Good. Now, do you like bananas? Yes or no? Okay. Do you like grapes? Yes or no? Okay. Do you like strawberries? Yes or no? Nice. Do you like apples? Yes or no? Very good. Now it's time to work on your student book. This is your student book. Open your student book to this page. Page 93. This is the page 93. On this page, you can see fruits. Listen and repeat. Apples, grapes, strawberries, bananas. Good. Now go to the back of your book and find the stickers. Look, here they are. These are the stickers. Take the stickers and paste them on these pictures. That's your activity. Have you finished? Great. Now let's continue our work. Now let's work on your activity book. This is your activity book. Open your activity book to this page. Page 77. This is the page 77. On this page, you have to look and match. Use your pencil. Let's do the first. Strawberry. Do you see the strawberry on this side? Is this a strawberry? No. Is this a strawberry? No. Is this a strawberry? Yes. So use your pencil and match. When you finish matching, color the pictures, please. This is your activity. You have done a great job. It's time to say goodbye. Please stand up, sing and dance with me. Here we go. stamp my feet.